Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a good day. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this comic book or halftone effect. Extremely easy to do, easy to follow. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, which is dowel.gfx. And if you want to join the Patreon, well, you've got access to different cover arts, layers, assets, and you get a shout out. So thank you to all these people who subscribe to the Patreon. And yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, I'm just going to open a new canvas, make it 2000 by 2000 pixels, of course. Import the image you want to use. I've got this image of Lil Uzi, which I think will look quite good. So yeah, rescale it and select the person you're using. You can use the pen tool. There's lots of tutorials on YouTube how to use it. Or if it has a very simple background like this one, go to select and subject and it will select it for you. So I'll just make a copy of what was selected and delete the other layer. This style is extremely easy to do. So basically it's just smoothing out the image and then creating contrast. So that's exactly what we're doing. So select the image, go to image, adjustments and shadow and highlights, and put it on 35% and highlights to 0 and press OK. Now go to filter, go to stylize and then to oil paint, and here use these exact measurements, so 0.1, 10, 0.8, 0.0. Now go to filter, go to camera raw filter, and here go to detail and put sharpening all the way to 150, noise reduction all the way to 100, and color noise reduction to 100 as well, and then press OK. And now go to image, adjustments, saturation. Here we turn it all the way down to 0%. Now we go to image, adjustments, and this time we go to exposure. And we're going to add some exposure and create a bit of offset. Now again we go to image, adjustments, and this time we go to threshold. And this is going to be different for every image, so do as you like, but basically get some details of the image and yeah, you're good. Go down here to effects and press on stroke. Here you want to add a black stroke to the image like this, and then when you're done you press OK. Now you make a copy of that layer and you go to the layer that's underneath, double click on stroke, and this time you're going to change the color to white and add a bit more like that. As you can see, if I change the color of the background, you've got a double stroke, white and black. So yeah, what we're going to do now is change the colors of the image. So I'll just import the actual image, the original one, place it up here as a reference. And here on the left side of your screen where the tools are, you're going to select the paint bucket. Probably have the gradient tool like this on top of it. So what you do to select the paint bucket is right click and then go to paint bucket tool. Here, just select the colors that the actual image uses, maybe a bit more vibrant, and basically just fill in the colors. But first we're gonna press shift and then select both layers, right click, go to merge layers, and that's it, we've got one layer. And now to get the colors in like this. This part is very easy, just fill in colors as you like. Now if you can see there's lots of white spots, you can use the pencil tool and just erase them with the black. It doesn't have to be perfect, so don't worry if you can see some spots. So yeah, now the next thing you want to do is add an overlay, a halftone overlay, so you can download this in the description. No problem to download it, completely free. So yeah, just place it above the person that you're doing the cover of. Right click on the layer, go to clip and mask, and blending options, go to light to multiply. Now what we're going to do is change the background. Well, going to get rid of the other image, and yeah, change the background. So again, leave this in the description for you to download. Looks like this. You can just search on Google comic book background and you can find stuff like this. And if you want to change the color, we'll just select that layer, go to, well, first rasterize the layer, so right click and rasterize, then go to image, adjustments, and to replace color. Here just select the color, and with the hue just move it around like this. And if you want to do it again, you just go to the same steps, image, adjustments, replace color, choose another color, and do the exact same thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, just leave a like, comment, subscribe if you like my content, because I've got so many tutorials and so many more coming. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.